Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is National Raspberry Cream Pie Day. But today is also Super Simple Saturday, so instead of making a full pie, we're gonna make some little mini pies. They are so easy to make, you're absolutely gonna love them. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food and fun, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and be sure to check the description below for details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, I am excited about these. I love making these. These are so fun. They're so easy. We are gonna start with some pre-made pie crust that I'm just gonna slide out of the package, and we are gonna slice this, maybe about a ½ inch thick or so. Now, when we get to the ends, we're gonna have to slice it a little bit thicker because there's not as much at the end. So that one we'll leave just like that. And then I've also got my tamper from my blender, so you can use whatever you can find that will fit down in here. If you watched a couple weeks ago, I made some little pecan pie tassies, and I used this for that also. If you want to check out that recipe, I'll post it in the description as well as at the end of this video. So we're just going to place each one of these down in the wells of our muffin tin. And then I just use my tamper and use the end of it, and I just press down. So we're just flattening out our pie crust and making a little well to fill up with our filling. So sometimes it sticks, sometimes it doesn't. You could always spray this with a little bit of Pam. And again, this is Super Simple Saturday, so we're not trying to be perfect with these. Just as long as it makes a little cup that we can turn into a little mini pie. All right, so once we have all of our little cups, I'm gonna set those aside for a second. I have got 4 ounces of cream cheese here, so I just soften it up in the microwave a little bit, and I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons of sugar, and then we're gonna add a tablespoon of lemon juice. And that should be just about good. So we're gonna stir this together, and then we're gonna start to fill up our cups. So I've got a teeny tiny scoop here. So just about 1 in each little cup. All right, so that's the last one. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss this in the sink. I'm gonna rinse this because I'm gonna need this for my jelly. And now for the jelly part. So we're just gonna do the same thing with our scoop. We're just gonna go and put a scoop of raspberry jelly in each one of these. So I try to put like the cream cheese on one side and the raspberry on the other side, but you can do it however you want. You can actually take a toothpick and kind of swirl it if you like. And that is all for our filling. Super simple, right? So these are gonna go off to the oven, 375 degrees, probably for about 20 minutes or so. Our little pies are done. Aren't they just the cutest? I love anything that's like a mini. All right, so let's get one of these out of here. And you may want to spray your pan with a little bit of Pam first to keep it from sticking, just because my jelly bubbled over and it kind of stuck to the sides, but that's okay. We're going to add a little bit of whipped cream, and then we are going to add a little raspberry on top. How cute is that? Aren't those adorable? So let's give these a try. I'm making a mess. Oh my goodness, those are delicious. They are sweet, but they're not too sweet, and they have just a little bit of tartness from the berry on top and from the jelly. But most importantly, I think they're just super cute and they're fun to make. So I hope you guys will give these a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I thank you so much for watching. Bye.